That was broken. Let's open it. Go to plastic. Now we're finally shoot out. First unboxing. Ooh, satisfying. So it comes with a card in the box. Don't need the box anymore. Okay, so it comes with cube and accessory box. Let's check the accessory box. The normal things, GAN bag. Okay, so it's a nice bag. To be honest, it's a nice bag. Let's open my cube now. Okay, so this is a box. This is how it looks like. Now let's open the. So I got it out now. Let's do some first turns. So out of a box, it feels pretty lubey, like I think that you can see some lube in there, like I don't know if you can, but in there was some like factory lube. Yeah, there is some factory lube in there. But out of the box, it actually feels really good. Like it's a sort of crispy feeling. Yeah, so it actually feels pretty good out of the box, to be honest. Let's see what this system. So it comes with a regular ingestion system. Okay, so yeah, this is with a blue nut. So I think that's pretty okay. I don't think we need to change something tensions or something like that. Actually, let's see what else comes with this box. So there's also this pamphlet, and that's it. It just comes with a bag and pamphlet. And no one's in the pamphlet, actually. You already know what's in there by now if you're a tuber. And the magnets are yellow on most of the sides, I think. Yeah, let me just try to adjust it and then I'll come back to it later. Oh, so pair on for tensions made it like better, add some lube in it. So this is how it turns now. So now it turns a bit more like smooth and free flowing. Like I feel that this cube is like the turning is actually really good on this cube. Good and free flowing. Like that's hard to explain the turning of this cube, and yeah, it's a GAN, so you know GAN cubes are like pretty premium, but this cube I feel like this feels really good out of the box. Like I think after a few weeks of using it, you know, or like doing everything with it, I think that will be perfect to use. So yeah. Okay, so this brings to the end of the video. If you like this video, please subscribe. And yeah, until the next video, goodbye and see you next time.